Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership from your phone. So if you have the Amazon app opened, you want to go to the bottom menu right here. As you can see, there's a home button and there's a person icon, and you want to tap on the person icon, and that's going to bring you to your account right here. So you're going to see something like this, and to cancel it you want to go to account right here. So the top, just tap on your account, and so if you want to cancel before your next free trial or your next month, you want to scroll down under account settings right here. So you want to find membership and subscription right here. As you can see, that's membership and subscription. You want to tap on that, and on here I have a free trial until July 23rd, which is gonna start my next billing. And if I don't want to pay, and I want to end with the free trial so I don't forget, you want to do this. And also you if you have like non-trial and you want to cancel before next month so you won't get charged, so you want to click on cancel subscription right here, and it's bring you to to log in again. And what you can do is you log in again. So after you log in, it's going to show you this page on the browser, and what you want to select is you want to continue to cancel. So tap on that, and it's going to say cancel on renewal, and just click end right here on July 23rd. So your benefits will end on July 23rd. After that date, your benefits will end and you will no longer be charged for your Prime membership. Just tap on that, and it says your membership will end on July 23rd. After that date, you will lose access to your benefits. And that's it. That's how you cancel. So that's how you cancel. And if you go back to the Amazon app right here, because when I tap on cancel, it opened the page. Just refresh this page just by going back right here, and then going to the person icon, and then actually go back right here, and then we're gonna go back to membership and subscription, and it's gonna say free trial ends on July 23rd, as you can see. So that means you successfully canceled. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel.